Alright, this one is for Arch Linux users. So this time I'm going to roll back an old package because recently I updated to a newer version of FFmpeg, which is what I'm using to do my screen capturing. There's a lot of people always ask that, but that's what I'm using, FFmpeg X11 grab. Anyways, the new version 1.0 wasn't working so well, so that's why I wanted to learn how to roll back the older package. And in here you can actually install this thing from the AUR called Downgrade, right? And it's just a bash script, and it'll search for either your local cache, like if you have your package on your machine already, like an older version, then they'll use that. Otherwise you can search for the ARM version. The ARM stands for Arch Rollback Machine. They actually have a listing of all their old packages that they have provided over the years. So I think it dates back to 2009. So you can always go back to all those packages, right? I never heard of it until recently. Anyways, to use this, just install that, and then you type in downgrade, and then the package that you want to downgrade. So for my example, I did FFmpeg, right? And you can see that at first it will tell you, okay, you have this locally installed on your cache here, or you have it on your local machine or whatever. You can do that. If you don't have it, you can always hit S and it'll search the Arch Rollback Machine, right? So one or the other, you can choose whatever you want. So I hit S to search what they have on their repositories, and it tells you, which one you have installed. So I have this one installed, and you can choose any of these other ones. All you do is just type in the numbers, but I can't do it for FFmpeg right now. Maybe I'll just do it for another package. What do I have in here? Let's say, for example, I want to install let me see here, downgrade. We'll do leaf pad. How about that, leaf pad? I don't think that would be any problem. So let's say I have this installed and I want to get an older version of this, right? Like let's say number 5 or something, right? So just hit 5 and it'll go out there. It'll tell you, okay, we're gonna install this sucker, and that's pretty much it. And you upgrade it, or downgrade it, your leaf pad, I mean. And now you can just open your leaf pad, like you normally do, and it'll be that version. So let me check this again here. Yowert leaf pad, right? So you can see that the newer version is this, and the version that we install is now this, which is an older one, right? So that's it for that. For downgrading on Arch Linux using the downgrade package from the AUR. That's it for this one.